Scene script. Isa, the Messiah, son of Maryam AS, is one of great messengers of Allah. He was sent to the Bani Israel but rejected by them and ultimately, in their eyes, killed by them. However, the Quran teaches us that they did not actually kill him, rather it was made to seem so to them, and that Allah raised him up to himself. They said, "We have killed the Messiah, Isa, the son of Maryam, the messenger of Allah." They did not kill him, nor did they crucify him, though it was made to appear like that to them. Those who disagreed about him are, in reality, beset with doubts. Allah said, "Isa, I will take you back and raise you up to me. I will purify you of the disbelievers. To the day of resurrection I will make those who followed you superior to those who disbelieved." We are taught in the Quran and Sunnah that Isa AS will return towards the end of time, and it is then that the Ahlul Kitab will all believe in him as he truly is, a messenger of Allah, saw, and not an impostor or a divine being, the Son of Allah. There is not one of the people of the book who will not believe in him before his death, and on the day of resurrection he will be a witness against them. The ahadith concerning the return of Isa AS are mutawatir, and the Prophet highlighted the special relationship that he has with Isa. The prophets are paternal brothers. Their mothers are different, but their religion is one. I, more than any other person, have more right to Isa, son of Maryam, in this world and the next, for there was no prophet between me and him. In another hadith, the Prophet said, "I hope that I would live long enough to see Isa, but if my death comes before that, whoever meets him should convey my salam to him." Isa AS is a well-built man of middle height, light brown skinned with a broad chest and straight ample hair that hangs down beyond his ears. He looks like Urwa b. Masud. The messenger of Allah said, "In a dream I saw myself at the Kaaba, and Allah showed me a brown-skinned man, a color that is as beautiful as a brown man could be, with combed hair that hung down over his ears. His hair was dripping water, and he was leaning on the shoulders of two men while circling the Kaaba. I asked, 'Who is this man?' I was told, 'This is the Messiah, son of Maryam.'" While the Mahdi is ruling as the Imam or Khalifa of the Muslims and preparing for battle against the forces of the Dajjal in Syria, shortly after having conquered Constantinople, Isa b. Maryam AS will return to earth. He will descend close to the white minaret to the east of Damascus just before Fajr time. He will be wearing garments lightly colored with saffron, and his hands will be placed on the wings of two angels. Whenever he lowers his head, droplets fall, and whenever he raises his head, precious stones that look like pearls fall. The Mahdi and others will ask him to lead them in prayer, but he will refuse, saying, "Your Imam should lead as a grace from Allah."